There's a celebrity in the kitchen.
It's celebrity season on Creative Cooking. Now, let's look in on today's celebrity guest.
There's a celebrity in the kitchen. She is Audrey Reid, and we remember her playing the lead role in the movie Dancehall Queen. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome you to Creative Cooking.
Oh, this is a pleasure for me as well. This will add volume to my portfolio.
Oh, it's
Grace
certainly
Kitchen.
will. Oh, you're in the kitchen, you're cooking for us, Audrey. You need to wear an apron.
Apron?
Let me get one
Is
for
it
you.
necessary though? Because I told me to wear my
Yes,
apron.
but,
Miss,
you know, we have
but I
to
guess
safety
maybe it make me look
precautions.
better.
Audrey, what are you cooking for us today?
Okay, today I'll be doing a family favorite. You don't just say this chicken without attitude. It's Audrey's oven roasted honey mustard chicken in passion of glory.
Say the passion again for me.
Passion of glory.
No.
And that developed from it's a Valentine's dish, you know.
sure.
Yes, it was
Passion,
a hit. Yeah.
yeah.
Passion, passion.
But it's over to you. The
Okay,
kitchen
right.
is all yours. you know.
Okay, naturally we cut up the chicken, washed
Yes.
it properly,
Yes.
and then we start our seasoning. You can use a little salt,
Right, for flavor,
little
yes.
yeah, flavor, because you have the
Soy
the
sauce.
soy sauce here. Which,
That's
you know, it
contains
has a
some
little
salt,
salt.
yes.
I can't, but I will do thing there.
Okay. Sprinkle on the
Yes,
sauce.
sprinkle on your sauce, and
Soy
yes,
sauce
for
color
coloring and
flavor.
flavor as well. Then a little thyme.
Yes. Okay.
Just a little. I don't like on the time because it can be overpowering at
That
times.
is true, right?
You know, so naturally.
Onion that you have
Oh,
chopped.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
And then we have ginger.
I mean, real Jamaican ginger.
Ginger.
Well, you look like
Yes.
you're cooking for a long time, Audrey.
Long time from Franklin Town days, and because when you live in the ghetto, you know, your mother forgot to do the little day's work.
Yeah, you
and
understand?
come in, you have to cook, and I have no sisters, so it's all brothers.
Okay,
And
okay,
for them,
okay.
very long, you know, when they come in, they want the food. We have this going now, so what we do is
Cover that.
normally I season up from the night before.
Yes.
And then leave it overnight, so I put it away right here in this lovely fridge here.
And I take it that you had one soaking from
Well,
overnight.
naturally,
Okay.
for time. So, right, this fridge is so big and spacious.
When you cook plenty, you really have to have proper
I know.
storage, you know?
Right, so with
Oh, neighbor soon
ready.
is going.
And right. So okay, so we're gonna put this inside here. On top of it now. I like the wing.
Yes.
You know, my kids, you know, children and all, they love the
bony
leg
part of the
and
chicken, leg and the
thigh.
okay, cool.
But I normally do whole chicken instead of just buying the parts because people have different
Taste and
preferences
preferences.
thing,
Okay.
yeah. Right, so we layer nicely down skin side up.
Up, yes.
And we're ready for the oven. The oven has been preheated already. 365 basically. So
Right,
that's
right.
enough for it.
Okay.
That is that. Okay, so we put her away. You just make me look so fabulous in the kitchen. eh?
Wow, 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 wow.
While she's in there going
this.
away with our sauce, which is
sauce.
the main thing.
What's the name of the sauce?
Passion.
Over to you.
Right. Okay, so we're gonna our passion.
It's about
And
1.5
this-
cups
yes.
of passion juice.
And then we have our. I don't like nothing leave back in other things. that
No,
are
we
amazing.
can't afford to waste
We
anything
have
at
our
all.
honey here.
What is the sweetener? Honey, natural honey.
Yeah, natural
Okay.
honey.
Okay.
Natural honey. You could use sugar if you don't have honey.
All right, okay.
You could use the sugar, but I prefer the honey. Give it a different taste as opposed to the
beautiful
sugar.
flavor too.
Yes. Mustard. This is the little trick, you know, into it. The mustard and
love
some
the color
grease
too.
ketchup.
Okay.
So you see, we have in different colors.
About a cup of
Yeah,
Grease
this would
with the
be a
ketchup,
cup. Yeah. It need a lot of ketchup still, you know. Some people.
you mix that.
Yes.
No,
No, in order to
Audrey.
get a little thickening, you use some cornstarch.
And then water.
Yes.
Audrey, how did you get into theatre?
Into theatre.
Oh, you
Actually,
finished
I
from
used
that,
to attend Vauxhall.
High school.
Vauxhall. Well, it was secondary at the time. It
Yeah.
turned high school now at the time. But if you notice, I love chat.
Listen to me.
So the teacher drafted me. It was my choice. I wanted to be a model.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's a good thing I take on this profession because I'm not too old and tough now.
No, you're as
for
old as you
modeling.
feel.
No, at 21, darling, you're a granny. Okay, so we use this now. So we use the cornstarch.
Yes.
to get a little.
You mix
so
well.
mix it with water, please, and mix well.
Who are some of the personalities who have, you have worked with and you've really enjoyed, being with them on stage?
Oh, there's so many. There's so many, and each have their own individual characteristics, So, mainly, well, Oliver must have fame, I call him name, but he started me out actually beside doing drama at Vauxhall School,
So you worked with Oliver and I suppose.
Yeah, and when we're on tour, and let me publicly thank Oliver for this. Last year, my birthday in England, and let me tell you something, that man did not sleep the night. He cooked up a stamp, oxtail, chicken, fish, everything.
Oliver can cook oxtail.
And when I'm in the kitchen, I'm ignorant, you see. Dream them can cook, So very soon we'll be ready to baste the chicken.
I want you to add a little bit of the great special meat sauce in that.
Yeah, we could, right. And that's a new thing, and you decided on that. Yes. So just a little because...
There's a strong passion fruit flavor.
Oh, I like it.
Dancehall Queen was your first movie, right?
Actually, when they approached me with it, I thought it was a big prank. Me say, oh God, poor me. Like a girl from the ghetto was starring a movie. But I had my dreams, Okay, well, this is good. We can just turn on the flame a bit. So it's time now to go and get the chicken from the oven. Right. This is it. Okay, so what we do now, Maisie, you see what we have already here. What we do here now is we start basting with the
passion sauce.
The passion sauce. And get it done evenly because you don't want to leave out no part of it without the sauce.
Even the quarter color.
And then because I have children, when I have children, I have to think about color as well because, as the saying goes, we eat with our eyes. And
will you put that in your oven now?
Yes. It's time to serve.
To serve.
Yeah. Oh. And we're ready to go.
Oh. Wow. So as you serve Audrey,
I'm accustomed to cooking for a lot of people,
Friends come over.
Yeah, man. Then I have some very inquisitive neighbors with them nose,
Yes.
Yeah.
But if you use onion, scallion, thyme, ginger and garlic, what can you expect?
Yeah, I don't really like a lot of powder seasoning. Okay, so here we have it now. So you take your time, you don't rush it because remember, it's a passionate meal.
So you're gentle with it.
So you just have to be gentle as you go along. Right. Okay, that's enough. Right.
Wow. Wow. Audrey.
I mean, you serve it with whatever you desire. Some people like pasta, and this is
rice dasheen.
Yeah. So we're not finished here, we're gonna just
garnish the dish.
So here we have it. Audrey's oven roasted chicken in honey mustard sauce. Passion of glory. Do enjoy.
Audrey, we thank you for sharing the energy in the kitchen. We really like this dish. It really strikes the eye and naturally to the palate, And a dish like this with passion, passion,
glory.
Every family member will want to enjoy some of this. It was indeed a pleasure working.
Thanks for having me. I always wanted to come on this program.
Really?
Yeah, to exhibit my culinary skills.
I didn't know you had time for us.
Hope you enjoyed the show and that you look in every Tuesday and Friday evening at 7:50 p.m. on CVM TV as our Jamaican celebrities show off their culinary skills on Creative Cooking.